Hello guys, in this video we will see what is error code Puget Lakes in COD Warzone and how to fix it. We'll cover everything you need to know. Let's get started.
Step 2. Understanding error code. Puget Lakes contain this error code often encountered in Call of Duty. Warzone typically signifies a network connectivity issue between your client and the game servers. It's not usually a hardware failure on your end, but rather a problem with data transmission, packet loss, or a general disconnection from the game's online services. It can manifest due to an unstable internet connection, server-side problems, or interference from network hardware preventing the game from maintaining a stable online session. Step basic client-side troubleshooting content begin by addressing the most common local issues. First, fully close and restart the Call of Duty Warzone application. If that doesn't resolve it, completely reboot your gaming device, PlayStation or Xbox. This clears temporary data, refreshes system resources, and can re-establish a stable connection to the game servers. While your device restarts, briefly check if other internet-related applications or websites are functioning correctly to rule out a broader internet outage. Step in network hardware and connection checks. Content focus on your network infrastructure. Power cycle your router and modem by unplugging them for at least 30 seconds, then plugging them back in and waiting for them to fully reboot and re-establish an internet connection. This often resolves minor network glitches and refreshes your home network. If you're using Wi-Fi, try connecting your gaming device directly to your router with an Ethernet cable to eliminate potential wireless interference and ensure a more stable and direct connection. Also, verify with your internet service provider is for any known local outages or service interruptions. Step verify game files and server status. Content ensure your game installation is intact and that the problem isn't server-wide. Use the Battle.net client scan and repair function or equivalent on console, if available, via system settings to check for corrupted or missing game files that might hinder connection. Simultaneously visit Activision Support's official website or their social media channels to check for any announcements regarding Call of Duty Warzone server status. A widespread server issue would explain the error and require patience until Activision resolves it on their end. Step advanced network and software solutions. Content. If previous steps haven't worked, consider more advanced network adjustments on flushing your DIN's cache. Type the config flushes in command prompt as administrator can clear outdated network information for persistent issues. Port forwarding specific to Call of Duty Warzone might be necessary, requiring configuration in your router settings. Consult Activision support for required ports as a last resort. If you suspect regional routing problems, trying a reputable might help bypass problematic network routes. If all else fails, gather details about your error and contact Activision support directly for personalized assistance, providing any troubleshooting steps you've already taken.